Hey. How's everyone doing? Welcome to my channel, guys. Welcome to my Forex Live trading session, New York session. And this is actually day one, trade one of my $50 to $60,000 in 30 days challenge that I'm having. I decided to bring along my subscribers. Even if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, you can actually join this challenge and we can all do this challenge together. The link is going to be down below in the description. So if you want access to this challenge, just click the link down below in the description and you'll get access. So right now I'm looking at Euro USD. So we're just gonna scalp this thing for just 10 pips. Like I told you guys, we're only gonna be looking for 10 pips a day. We might take 2 to 3 trades depending on how the market moves. But before we take any more trades, we got to make sure whatever first trade we take, we got to make sure we hit our take profit first before we take any other trade. So right here to the right, these are the pairs we actually going to be trading for this 30 days challenge. We're not going to trade gold at all. We're not going to trade no indices until we get to until we grow the $50 to like $1,000. Then we can start taking trades with gold and indices. Aside from that, how you guys doing? How was your weekend? I hope you guys had a very, very, amazing weekend. I hope you guys have had an amazing weekend.
Yeah, we did.
Good, that's good. Hey, Mac. Hey, D-Rod. Hey, Sally. How you guys doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Who's that? Who am I talking to? Who was that?
It's Mark.
Oh, hi, Mac. How you doing?
I'm okay, thank you.
That's good. So you guys remember the one of the strategy videos I have on YouTube, the 20 pips a day strategy?
Yes, I was watching it last night.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's actually the strategy we're gonna be using for these 30 days. But instead of 20 pips, like I said earlier, we're only gonna target 10 pips. That's it. I just want you guys to do this challenge with me, and I'm actually trying to show you guys the power of compounding when it comes to forex. And even 10 pips, it might be a small, might be small now, but 10 pips a day is very, very powerful. When you grow your account to, and even to like $2,000, $5,000, and you start trading one started lot size, now you're gonna start looking at $100 a day. You know, if you keep doing it that way, the more you compound your account, the more you grow your account, you'll be able to trade with high lot sizes. And then, before you know, you get to $200 a day, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, just trading one single pair, even if it's 10 pips. You guys don't want to show your face? You don't want people to see your face? Can you guys hear me though?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay, cool. Cool. Oh, Mark, okay. I see you now, Mark. Okay. Looking at you with JPY here on the 5 minute time frame.
I'm just going to load this up on the computer because I normally trade off my phone and it's difficult going between this and an empty form. I don't need to knock it off.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so looking at Euro JPY here on the 5 minute time frame because we're actually going to be trading on the 5 minute time frame. We had a break, price broke resistance actually over here, closed above resistance, and then we had a pullback back to the previous support zone, and now broke it again. Now, what we need now before we get in this trade, if we want to get in this trade for about, we just need another pullback, and then we're going to see what's going to happen. We need another pullback either to the 20 EMA or the 50 EMA or to this same resistance zone, and then we can get in for a buy right here, and then we can catch our 10 pips, and then we out. Because if we look at this over here, we got another resistance zone right there. So price rejected this resistance zone now. So we'll see what's going to happen. So we'll see what's going to happen. Mm-hmm. GBP JPY just broke resistance. The 20 just crossed the 50 and the 100. So we need a pullback. We're just waiting for a pullback right now. And we can get in this. We can scalp this thing for a quick 10 pips. Okay. We're doing that. Hey, I'm good, Schumann. I remember, guys, in the 20 pips strategy video that I did, remember I said right here, looking at this RSI, for the trade to be a valid buy in this case, which I think Euro USD is actually looking like a buy. So we just need the RSI to be above the 50 line, this 50 line right here, to confirm this trend. Right now the RSI is below the 50, which indicates a sell. But looking at our main chart, this is definitely not a sell. So we just gotta wait. As you can see, it already broke resistance 3 times. Broke it one, broke it here. No, twice, sorry. Broke it right here, came back, touched the 50 EMA, then broke resistance again, pulled back, went back up. Now we pulled back again. So oh, I see you guys are opening. Let me know where you guys are actually watching me from. Let me know where you guys are watching me from.
Watching from London.
Oh, all right. How is England?
Good.
Cool. Cool. The New York session just opened 15 minutes ago. So we're gonna see. Actually, I don't like how this looks right now. Everything changed. Looks not like it. Can you guys see my chart clearly? Can you guys see my screen real good?
Yeah, I can see.
If price breaks this zone here, there's every possibility that it could reject over here and come back down and sell because we have a very strong resistance zone over here. So I just seen that now. So we'll see what happens with GBP USD. Well, like I said, probably only gonna take 1 to 3 trades, even if it's just one trade. But before we take any other trades, the first trade definitely has to be in profit before we take any more trades. So let's see. Right now, GBP USD is consolidating. Okay, GBP JPY is looking good. Let's see what it's looking like on the higher time frame. Oh, thank you, Ryan. Hey, Crypto Goddess, how you doing? Where we at? Where we at? See. Oh, I'm fine, Crypto Goddess. Thank you for asking. This is one of my favorite pairs right here, GBP JPY. I'm married to this pair right here, GBP JPY and GBP USD. That's why you guys see me keep going back and forth. Okay. Nothing is really going on right now. If possible, my goal is to not lose any trade, any trade during this challenge. But hey, I mean, that's what I'm praying for. But we'll see if it's possible. But I believe I can do it. We'll see though. But that's my goal, not to lose a single trade during this challenge. And that would be incredible if I do it though. For those of you that's not doing the challenge, um, what pairs are you guys looking at? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Okay. Your GWE is making sense. You guys see this rejection right here, right here. We had the wick rejecting the trailing EMA right over here. So we're going to see if this is going to break the resistance. We're going to see. This is Euro JPY though. Hey David, how you doing, David? I'm good, and you? Hmm. Match. So what I'm looking at. Oh yeah. Okay. Doing something. And oh, when you guys are using the 20, 50, and 100 EMA, once you see this, once you see this zone, you can see how the moving averages are intertwined. Stay out of that zone, stay out of that trade. Don't even get in the trade at all. And to make it easier, just mark the resistance and mark the support, and you'll see that price was actually ranging over here. Okay, we just had a break here on the 5 minute time frame. Now we're looking for a pullback before we get in these trades. I'm just looking at all these pairs now, and then hey, whichever one give us the setup that we want first, that's the one we're gonna get into. So right now I'm just looking. All right, Euro USD price is about to get. Price just crossed the 20 EMA. We can see we had a pullback back to the resistance zone right there. Now let's see what this candle is going to do. Uh-huh. Yep. Position. Let's see if we get it somewhere here. Move this to the side. If you're in the 30 days challenge group on Telegram, Ryan, I have the lot sizes there. If you're not in the group, the link is in the description, and then you'll see the lot size. I have an image of the lot size that I recommend for this $50 challenge. So that's the lot sizes you guys need to follow for each trade. So this first trade, this is going to be a $50 account. You're going to have your lot size is going to be 50 cents per lot, which is 0.05. Just so you guys know, 0.05. Trade 2, day 2, 0.06. Just like that. Now, I know I said it's going to be, our target is 10 pips, but I'm actually targeting 15 pips because, you know what, I'll actually make it 13. 13 pips actually. Yeah, so the reason why I added 3 more pips is because of, I know we all have different brokers, obviously. So I decided to do 13 pips because of the spread. So that by the time, the trade gets to your take profit, you're going to get 10 pips out of that trade. So that's why I'm actually going to be targeting 13 pips. And then uh, since our risk to reward ratio is going to be 1 to 5, we're going to be looking at uh, about 9 pips stop loss. So it's a very, very tight stop loss, as you guys can see. So that's why we need a very, very good entry, especially when you scalp it. You need a very good entry before you get in the trade. If I go to the Now, if I go to the 1 hour time frame here, you can see that now that I want to get in this trade, that I'm looking to get in this trade, looking at the 1 hour time frame, I see that we had a support right over here. So this is what you guys need to do when you're scalping on your own using this strategy. You can either go to the 1 hour time frame or you go to the 4 hour time frame. That's on you. If you're looking for a buy, then you just need to go to the higher time frame to figure out where your next zone is, so that you can have your TP right at that zone or before before that zone. So that's what I just did now, because you can see that here in the 1 hour time frame we had nothing but clean candles here to the left side, and over here we can see we had a rejection over here. Let's see, got a rejection here, got a rejection here. So this is our zone right over here, which was a support zone over here. Price could get up here, and obviously this side is definitely going to become resistance. So, but we have our take profit right before we get to that zone. So we just need to wait for our setup here on the 1 hour time frame. 5 minute time frame. So, which is what we're doing now. GBP, that zone that I told you about, GBP USD just rejected it here, looking at the 5 minute time frame. So GBP USD, obviously we need a break, then from this resistance, then we need a pullback, and then we can start looking at getting into GBP USD for a buy. Let me go back to GBP JPY. Okay. Right. See. USD is just basically consolidating now. That's what I see here. So, Damn, look at freaking gold. Wow. Nice setup. So it's a nice, so it'll be a nice entry right here. But we're not trading gold. Too risky. I'm here to here. This is like 50 pips. Oh, there's one more pip. I think that's a little cat. Big cat. Consolidating. This. See. What I want. GWE. Well, there's nothing really going on right now. So we just got to be patient. RSI is still above the 50, so that's good. So now we're just waiting for our setup right here on the main chart. So the RSI is already good to go. All right, I'll be back, guys. Oh, damn, look at your JPY. All right, we're gonna wait until this candle closed. Yeah, let's see, JPY. Okay, we're gonna get in one of these trades, GBP JPY or Euro JPY. Oh man, okay. We got his Zoom. Oh man, I came back too late. I hate missing out on a perfect entry. Just this one candle alone is looking like would have got us to our take profit. Right now I'm gonna have to move my entry. We got this. Okay. See how this goes. Okay, it looks like it. All right. Ten pips. All right, guys, getting on Euro USD for a buy. 5-minute time frame. You guys see the stop loss and take profit, right? I'm gonna send it to the challenge group as well, and also to the VIP group. All right, trade has been sent. All right, first trade for the challenge has been sent. So, yeah, I got you, Hayden. So, since we already took Euro USD trade for this challenge, now we just gotta wait for this first trade to hit our take profit before we take another trade. GBP we just had this doji candle closed above resistance. Did you guys get the Euro USD trade? Did you guys get it?
Yeah.
Okay. And you see the lot size I recommended?
Yeah.
Okay. See, I use, let's see, I use 13 pips or 15 pips. About 13 pips. Okay. So, like I said, even though I'm still mad about this Euro JPY because I missed a freaking very good entry. I already missed it right here, then missed it again here. But I mean, we in Euro USD trade. That was that was a good entry also. So we can't take any more trades until Euro USD gives us what we need. Oh, damn. Euro JPY. Okay. All right. So we're good. We got to wait on Euro USD now. And then we can start looking for another trade. Oh, nice, Hayden. You learning fast. Congratulations. Good job. Hayden said he got on Euro JPY, got 10 pips, and he's out. Nice job, Hayden. Good job. Who has got on Hayden Euro JPY? Is it just Hayden? Euro JPY and GBP JPY is definitely a buy. Especially GBP pairs, man, you can get 10, 20 pips very fast. That's why these pairs I have here, they're very good for scalping. You can get your 10, 20 pips, 10, 15, 20 pips, you get it and then you out. You're welcome, Hayden. So for those of you watching that are here with me on StreamYard and on YouTube, what do you guys think about me going live like this every day? You guys think I should do that every day or just stick to me, going live on Monday or just go live every day for the duration of this challenge? Let me know down in the comments. There might be days that won't be available though, but for the most part, do you guys recommend me doing this every day for the next 30 days, or just stick to Mondays, and the rest of the days just send the trades to the group. Okay. Hayden, since you already got 10 pips off of Euro JPY, did you take Euro USD trade also? If you did, and if you're doing it on this $50 account, don't take any more trades, because now, and I hope if you did, I hope you followed the lot size that I recommended on the in the group. Yeah, so if I can, okay, Hayden says, I think you should go live when you can. I will let know when you're live. Okay, Crypto Goddess, whichever is comfortable with me. Will trades be sent out at a certain time if you can go live? Yeah, so if I can't go live, it's always going to be New York session. So if I can't go live, it's always going to be New York session. Yeah, but for this challenge, I'm planning on doing this, going live every day. But if I can't, obviously, I'm going to let you guys know for whatever reason. So I plan on doing this every day though, for the next 30 days. Okay. Okay, Aiden, you got an EU buy. Okay. Um, so if it's on this $50 challenge, don't take any more trades. You're done for the day. Now, if you want to take any more trades, then take those trades on your, if you have another account, then take place your trades on your other account, not on this on your $50 account. Okay. If you guys have other accounts, if you want to scalp on that account, now what I'm about to say, it's your decision, but do not do this, what I'm about to say, on your 30 days challenge account. So if you have a different account, You can get it on GBP for a buy on that account, and you can just scalp this for the same 10 pips. So you have your take profit here, this bold green to the right, that's your take profit. And then these bold red numbers to the right, that's your stop loss. So if you want, you can get in it for a buy. But for this challenge account, if the first trade doesn't hit take profit, we cannot take another trade. That's it. You're welcome, Hayden. For this challenge account, if I only take one trade a day, I don't care. I'm good. So it's all about compounding. It's not all about making money fast right now. Making money fast right now. That's what a lot of people, get wrong. A lot of people overtrade, so and end up blowing their account. GBP USD and Euro USD. So GBP USD and Euro USD, we're just actually consolidating right now. GBP USD is trying to break out of this resistance zone. if it does, I should probably get to this zone here. Actually, let me go to the, let's go to the 30-minute time frame just to see. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. So, I gotta drag this out. Okay. Here. So let's go to the 15. I'm actually back to the 5. So GBP USD finally breaks this zone. It should get to this zone. Should get to this zone over here. That's the zone right there. Oh, it's about to break. Yeah, it's gonna break. All right. If we had entered EURJPY, no, our take profit would have definitely been smashed because the two would have been, our entry was right over here. Yeah, take profit would have been smashed on EURJPY. Let's see GBP Yep, take profit would have been smashed for Euro GBP smashed. But hopefully this is another zone over here. Hopefully before that happens, USD will hit a take profit and we can get in GBP for our last trade. Come on, USD. Man, it's New York session. You shouldn't be wasting time. But like I said earlier, guys, you know, if you guys have another trading account, you know, just get on those pairs for a buy and just, you know, make you some extra money on the side on those other pairs. But if you're taking the challenge with me, you cannot get in another trade until this hits our take profit. Even if this is the only trade we take on this challenge account, hey, that's fine. There'll be days where we're only going to take one trade. There'll be days where we're going to take two or even three, depending on how how much volatility the market has. So, but we'll see what happens when USD hits our take profit. I'm very, very positive about this trade, so I'm not really worried. It's just taking its time right now. It's taking its time. But so while while that's running, I'm gonna go handle some business, and I'll be right back. Now we have Euro USD pulling back to the 20 EMA. USD CAD is also selling. So we might be looking at USD CAD as the second trade because it just broke support. So now we just gotta wait for a pullback, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we're gonna have the pullback somewhere here. Probably so. Let me go to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, somewhere. This zone here. Probably have the pullback right here. Oh. Right. Oh, come on, that's a rejection right at the 50 EMA. Now price should, it should freaking go back up now. That's a rejection right at the 50 EMA. Hopefully price will go back up because that's what it's supposed to do. But you never know. You never know. It should go back up because that's a perfect rejection at the 50 EMA. USD just has had a lot of rejection. Pull back this morning. Broke resistance, pull back, broke, pull back, broke, pull back, went back. High, low, high, low, high. It just keeps creating high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. But since we have this pullback here, the 50 EMA, this rejection at the 50 EMA, price should absolutely go back up now. The fact that week, if you guys can see, I hope you guys can see that week. That's why I'm making this, I'm zooming in. You guys can see this week, this bearish candle. That week where there was a rejection at the 50 EMA. So this bullish green candle should close above the 20, and if not, the next candle should be bullish. At least that's what's supposed to happen, but we'll see. We'll see. Ryan said I keep it simple. Well, thank you. I really appreciate you guys. as long as USD CAD is still consolidating, USD is gonna keep doing the same. Well, if you got in GBP, JPY, I mean, you already got your 10 pips. The 10 pips is secured. A lot of traders love to call Mondays trap days because we call it trap days. It's usually low volatility on Mondays. See, even NZD is just ranging here on the 5-minute time frame. I just need price to get back above the 20 EMA right here. Okay. All right. Okay. 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Your GWE is still going. Interesting. including GBP, JPY. Gold is buying Euro USD should be buying too now, including GBP USD. See what it's looking like here. Let's go to one more time. Let's- it's horrible. Come on, Euro USD. Yeah, it's looking like Euro USD is gonna be the only trade for this challenge account. Which is okay at the end of the day. Today is a Monday. I just don't like the way it's moving right now. It's definitely because it's a Monday. I'm really GBP JPY really surprised me today. This move, this move here it's a big surprise, including freaking Euro JPY, and it's still going. This move on Euro JPY is definitely a surprise too. Both of them surprised me this morning on a Monday. If we do this markup on the here on the lower time frame, we should see some Interesting stuff on gold. Just rejected the same spot resistance. Support. Big move. So how many of you took any more trades aside from Euro USD?
I took gold in the morning.
Huh?
Yeah.
You said what?
I took gold.
For a sell or for a buy?
For a buy.
Okay, you caught that move?
Yeah, I did.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Are you out? Are you out of the trade, or are you still in the trade?
No, I'm out.
Okay. How many pips did you get?
About
Just the entry I missed earlier. if USD CAD continues to sell, now I'm actually expecting it to keep coming down because of this pullback. If it keeps coming down, Euro USD and GBP USD certainly should continue going up. Let's see like this. Oh, okay. Miguel said he got gold buys also. All right, good job, Miguel. Ryan, okay. Oh, Ryan, you took the Euro JPY. Okay, nice. You got your 10 pips. Nice. Yeah, I took gold as well on my other account. So looking at Euro USD, remember what I told you guys? Remember what I told you guys that let me zoom on. Can you guys I hope you guys can see this zoom right here. Now, remember what I told you guys that when we saw when price gave us this weak rejection right here, let me delete this. Let me delete this. So when price, this bearish candle right here, this one, Hold on. This bearish candle, uh, right here, when it gave us this rejection right here, the 50 EMA right here. Remember, I was like, okay, now that we have this rejection, now price should definitely push back up because of this, the fact that price didn't close below the 50 EMA. That was, I knew there was about a 90% chance that price should go back up and continue its uptrend. So, and that's absolutely what we have. Price closed above the 20 EMA. Man, price should hit our take profit. Looking what with what I'm looking at right now. So, and looking at the RSI, we can see the RSI rejected the 50 line as well, confirming this uptrend continuation. So price should be hitting our take profit very soon. So that's something you guys should take note of. When you see a setup like this, and let's say we were not in this trade. Let's say we were not in this trade at all, and then we came in, we looked at the chart, and we saw this rejection. We just wait and see what happens, and our entry would have been right over here, or right now, this candle right here, before it closed. That would have been our entry, and we just set our take profit. So that's something you guys should take note of when trading on your own, especially when you're scalping on your own. So this trade should hit our take profit. Man, I was hoping we were gonna get on USD CAD once that hit take profit, but we'll see what happens. We still have, if this is really gonna be a trend, we're still gonna have, we'll still have time to get a new USD CAD for yourself. USD CAD is also a good bet to scalp, because just look at this. Look at this. Let's say we got in this sale here, and we just wanna go for 13 pips. Look at that. This is 13 pips right here. It's also a very good pair to scalp. To trade in general. Um, yeah. If this continues selling, EUUS is going to continue buying. But to be honest with you guys, I really don't like how EUUS is moving today. Anyways. I'll be back, guys. Actually, no, I'll be back. All right, guys. I'm actually going to go ahead and end this live session. So I just want to say this before I leave. Congratulations to you guys that took the gold, Euro JPY, and GBP JPY trade. I'm really, really happy and proud of you guys. You guys are definitely putting in the work. You guys are actually learning on your own, and that's a very, very good thing. But and also very soon I'm gonna be starting my one-on-one session. It's gonna be via Zoom. So if anyone is gonna be interested, when I do start, when I'm actually ready, I'll definitely let you guys know. So for today, it looks like we're only gonna take this USD trade. I'm gonna go live again tomorrow, and then we're gonna do this together tomorrow as well. Now on Wednesday, I don't know about Wednesday yet. I have something I gotta do on Wednesday. If I have the time, then I will definitely do this again. Go live on Wednesday as well. If not, I'm just gonna send you guys the signal. So like always, I'll let you guys know as well if I'm gonna go live on Wednesday. Um, so guys, just keep learning, believe in yourself, believe in God. When you take a trade, if it goes your way, fine. If it doesn't, it happens. Just move on to the next trade. Look for the next setup and then get in. So that's all I have to say, guys. Once again, congratulations. I'm happy for you guys. I'm proud of you guys for putting in the work and actually, learning this thing called Forex because it's definitely a whole different language, and it takes time, it takes dedication, it takes commitment to actually, be able to see results because I don't care if that Forex trader is the best Forex trader in the whole world, they're still a student of the market. They're still learning because we don't control the market. The banks and big institutions, they control the market. We all just doing what we can. That's why you see all these freaking supply and demand zones, support and resistance zones, and people using indicators, to try and figure out, you know, what's really going on in the market, what direction the market is going. And some people just, trade, they trade with their naked charts, no indicators, nothing. So, but to each his own, whatever strategy is working for you, then there's the strategy you need to stick to. Don't keep changing your strategy. If you find a strategy that's working for you, just stick to that same strategy, and then just keep perfecting your skills and keep learning. So that's it for me, guys. Today, I'll see you guys again tomorrow, same time, 7 a.m. New York session. So I'll be going live tomorrow as well. Thank you guys for hopping on, and I wish you guys success. You guys are the because
Thank you.
it's definitely way too crowded.